Welcome to Frisco, Colorado. On our way to Mystery Secret Spot. We'll reveal that in just a little bit. Welcome to Moab, Utah. Home of Arches National Forest. National Park. Beautiful, beautiful scenery right here. We're gonna go ahead and get checked on in and go enjoy this lovely setting. So this is a new Moab resort. Place is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna get you the name of it. Unfortunately, we couldn't stay here due to the pups. We're staying a couple doors down, but this is absolutely phenomenal. Welcome to Arches National Park. That's what I'm talking about. Zombie apocalypse mobile right there. Ladies and gentlemen, delicate arched trail. Let's get to walking. Uncle Seth. Squats first though. 17. Look at that, folks. Dude, come on now. Just casual? So that was a arch window into the arch, and now this is the final push up around the corner for largest freestanding arch, I think in the world or North America. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Not all bad, folks. Not all bad. A little windy out here, but not all bad at all. Never been here in the wintertime. Snow-capped mountains behind it. This is literally Microsoft Windows 7 wallpaper theme. This is the arch. There's the whole group up there. Absolutely stunning. Found out our own private arch. We are at Slick Rock Trailhead. Don't do this trail in the summertime. It's very hot, but it is still wintertime. And we're out here. We're gonna do the practice loop, get some sunset golden hour laps in ourselves. We got Beesky, we got the pups. Reason why it's called Slick Rock, super traction-y. Beautiful with the pups out here, golden hour. Nice. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Good girl, Connor. Nice. After a good little rip, where do you go? We go to Antica Forma Wood Fire Napoleon Pizza and Pasta Italiano Ristorante. Sprinters right there. We're looking good. Moab, Utah, folks. Moab, Utah.